NEEWER just came out with perhaps the best wireless lavalier microphones that I have ever used. You're listening to me right now using the KM19 NEEWER wireless lavalier mic. It's so small, you didn't even know I had it on. It's right here. Guys, this is the NEEWER KM19 pair of lightweight wireless lapel microphones. Guys, it comes with this beautiful case. Look at how tiny it is. Inside this case, it comes with two mics that are this big. They are so tiny. This case also doubles as the charging port. You'll see on the bottom, it has those two prongs, the two contacts, and it goes in the case. You plug in the case right here with the included USB-C cable, and it charges both microphones. Right now, there's one missing because it's on my shirt. Let's look at that video now of you can hear the noise cancellation level 3 and how far away you can go. Okay, I am 50 feet away and we'll keep going. Okay, I'm about 120 feet away, 350 feet away. I'll wave my hand so you can see me. There's a link to the product in the description. The screen on the front of the case, you can see it right here, shows you the battery level. These microphones are omnidirectional. You don't have to make sure it's pointed directly at your mouth. The beauty part about the system is that if you're doing an interview, you have one for you and one for the person you're interviewing. They're clip-on right here. Now, if you're talking and you want to mute it, you just press the button and it will mute it. These are so light, guys. They're only 6 grams each. Now, there's an app for your phone called the NEEWER App Control. You can download it and control the microphone from your cell phone. Pairing was easy. It took less than 2 seconds to pair it. It does come with a storage pouch, and it comes with an extension adapter in case you have a cell phone case that's very thick. Here's the most important part. Does this YouTuber content creator recommend these NEEWER KM19 lavalier microphones? Absolutely. You're hearing the product working right now as I'm making this broadcast. All right, guys, I recommend it. Link in the description. Pick them up now.